Question number 4. A, B, 3, 7, then 6, 8. If you take B is equal to 1, 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. Now here A value we are getting 8. So if you take 8 plus 3, 11. So this is not possible. Then B is equal to, if you take 2. If B is equal to 2, then 2 plus 7, this is your 9. Okay. Now here 3 is there. 9 plus 3, 12. Okay. So this is also not possible. Then if B is equal to 4. Okay, B is equal to 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 4 plus 7. Okay. 4 plus 7, that is 11. 11 means your first digit. Unit place digit is 1. That means A is equal to 1. Okay. Now, A is equal to 1. If we take A is equal to 1, 1 plus 3, it becomes 4. But here is 6. So next, this is also not possible. Then, if B is equal to 5. B is equal to 5. 5 plus 7. Yeah, 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay. Now your first unit digit, that is 2. That means A is equal to 2. Now 12 means you have to carry 1 here. Then we can take A is equal to 2. Here what is remaining? 2 is remaining. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. That means what we should take B value? We should take B is equal to 5. Now B is 5. 7. 5 plus 7, that is 12. 2 here, carry 1. Then this side, here A is equal to what we are getting? 2. So you can write 2. Then this 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So that means, therefore, A is equal to 2. Then B is equal to 5. Question number 5. Here A, B into 3. Here reminder, that is answer C, A, B. Now here B is there. Here also B. If you take B is equal to 1, 3 1s are 3. It is not possible. Okay. Now here 1 into 3. 3 1s are 3. Here we are getting here 3, but here 1 is there. We want these two digits should be same. Here, according to the question B. Okay, this is not possible. So what we should do? Then, if you take any number, it will change. But we can take B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. If you take B is equal to 0, then take 0 into 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Now see in this question, here also B, here also B. Now here we are getting 0, here also 0. Then it is correct. Then here A. Now here these two, here A, here also A. We want same digits. What we should do? Now suppose if we take 1, 3, ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. We want these two digits same. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So we'll check it. 3 fives are 15. Okay, 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. That means unit place also we are getting same numbers. Unit place we are getting same digit. That means here what we should take a 5. 3 fives are 15. Here also we got 5. Then here also we got 5. So that means here therefore A is equal to 5. Then AB is equal to 0. And here what is there? C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. So A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1. So in this question number 6, A, B, here 5, answer C, A, B. Now here B, here also B is there. We want same digit. Then here A and here also A. Now we will try by 25. Here also 5. 5 fives are 25. To carry 5 here. Then 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2, that is 12. Now check it. Here B, that is 5. Here also B, 5. Okay, B is equal to 5 we got. Then 5 twos are 10 plus 2, that is 12. Now in this question you see letter A is here, here letter A. This is one possible. Okay. Now again we can take one more. Now that means here A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2, then B is equal to 5, then C is equal to 1. This is one possible. Again we can take one more problem, that is 50 into 5. 50 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. Now here B letter is there, here also B letter. Here 0, here also getting 0. 5 fives are 25. Now see, here 0, same 0, 0, B, B. Then A, here also A. Then 5, here also getting 5. That means here this is also one possible. A is equal to 5. Then B is equal to 0. Then C is equal to 2. This is one possible. Again one more. We can take 75. We can take 75. 75 into 5. 75 into 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 sevens are 35. Plus 2, 37. Now check it. Same digit we got here. 5, 5. That means B we can take 5. Then 7, 7. That means A is equal to 7. Then C is equal to 3. So this is also one possible. So A is equal to 7. Then B is equal to 5. Then C is equal to 3. Now here in this question there are three possibilities are there. So first one, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 1. This is one possible. Second, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 2. Then third one, A is equal to 7, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 3. There are three possibilities according to this question.